Introducing the Aqara Smart Lock U50, the complete smart lock for every home, with features like Apple Home Key and Meta support. It redefines safety and convenience, ensuring peace of mind at every turn. This is the perfect gateway to start your smart home journey. You can effortlessly unlock it by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch, even when they're out of power, ensuring unmatched security and convenience.
U50 offers additional and emergency unlock methods, including keypad entry, physical keys, voice control, NFC cards, and USB-C emergency port, and seamless integration with the Aqara Home app.
With the U50, you have multiple options to create temporary passwords remotely, even if the hub loses connection. Remote one-time passwords remain available. Whether you need to grant access to friends, service providers, or guests in an Airbnb, the process is streamlined for your convenience. Built on the Zigbee protocol, the U50 seamlessly integrates with an Aqara devices and is compatible with Matter, Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and IFTTT. Simple setups unlock enhanced convenience, security, and comfort in your living space. Pair it with a smart video doorbell G4, and when someone presses the doorbell, you can see who is at your door and easily unlock the U50. Additionally, you can configure it to trigger different scenes based on who enters the room. Now your smart life truly begins at your doorstep. With its built-in gyroscope, the U50 not only tracks its own status, but also senses when the door is left open, reminding you to shut it and even locking automatically once closed. The U50 Smart Lock boasts an extended battery life, going strong for an average of 6 months on just one single charge. With its zinc alloy build and IPX5 rating, the U50 is your reliable choice for outdoor security. Aqara committed to creating holistic, personalized smart home experiences that are accessible to everyone. Aqara Smart Lock U50, the complete smart lock for every home.